Might as well show you since I did it. Right there is like a custom muffler setup. This wiggly tailpipe, it was no good. I was getting really bad mileage because my straight pipe muffler that it's on there pretty tight, I suppose. There's nothing wrong up there. The flange is good here. It's just this flange loosened itself. It was pouring exhaust all over the place. No muffling at all. So then I just had to attach I got like a aluminum baking sheet. I use a couple tools here to get under my thing to cut it. Just to use a couple pliers, you know. I thought that I would have had to use tape, but I didn't need it actually. And I still got some of these, so that's cool. I'm happy to have fixed that up. See the guy down at the BP right over there across the street? He knows this. We take this over there for state inspection all the time. So it'll be a little hot if I put it over there. I'm going to like do the work myself instead of paying someone else. That's my plan. I have all of the tools I really would need to have here. These are pretty much just wrench. This is a wrench and snips. That's what it is. They call it channel locks. So I have just a couple of nice other things in there. And now I've got my tape ready to go. I have butane out here. I like to ignite a couple things sometimes. Cheaper than going to get a cigarette lighter. Because I have like a torch. I was gonna cook. I was gonna warm up a hot soup using that on some other stove we had. It was a different propane stove. I'm gonna check this out later, just so that I could keep this here for a coffee. Might as well, while I'm here, make a coffee, but except I couldn't do that because I forgot to buy distilled water. I have electrolytes in case I get thirsty still. I made coffee already this morning, so actually that's for another video. When I wanted actually back into these. Yeah, this is delicious coffee. The Pike Place. I like that. There's everything I need here. All right. Okay then. I also got this for like a snack right now. I like to do that. I got milk in the cooler too. I'm gonna mix some protein later. That's what I gotta do. I'm filming the movie. Hey, it's me, Moist Andy. I have